Adarsh Vidyalaya Max Online class. Today's topic: solving problems involving quadratic equation. That means வேர்ட்ல கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க அந்த வேர்ட்ல கொடுத்ததை நம்ம quadratic equation ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறம் சால்வ் பண்ணனும். That is solving problems involving quadratic equation. Now we see exercise 3.12 first sum. If the difference between a number and its reciprocal is 24 divided by 5, find the number. So let the number be x and its reciprocal is 1 by x. Its reciprocal is by x. Given if the difference between a number and its reciprocal, that is x minus 1 by x is equal to 24 divided by 5. That is given 24 divided by 5. Here using cross multiplication, x into x square minus 1 divided by x is equal to 24 divided by 5. Then 5 into x square minus 1 is equal to 24x. Then 5x square minus 5 minus 24x is equal to 0. Plus 24x into left hand side minus 24x. Then 5x square minus 24x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Then factorize the quadratic equation. Here coefficient of x squared is 5. So 5 into minus 5 minus 25. That is product of two factors. Then sum of the two factors is minus 24. That is alpha plus beta. Minus 25 is alpha beta. Then factors are 1 into 25. That is minus 25. Plus into minus minus. 1 into 25, 25. 1 minus 25 we get minus 24. Divided by 5x. Then divided by 5x. Because coefficient of x squared is 5. Then 1 5 is 5. 5 5s are 25. Then 5x plus 1 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. 5x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. Then 5x is equal to minus 1. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 divided by 5. And also x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to plus 5. Hence the required numbers are minus 1 by 5 and 5. That's all. Next one, second sum. A garden measuring 12 meter by 16 meter. So that is a garden is measuring 12 meter by 16 meter. Here 16 meter length and 12 meter breadth. So length of the rectangle is equal to 16 meter. Breadth of the rectangle is equal to 12 meter. Is to have a pedestrian pathway that is W meters wide. Install all the way around so that it increases the total area to 285. So the rectangle சுத்தியும் என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்கன்னா W மீட்டர்ஸ்ல ஒரு pathway இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. W meters. W then W then W meters. That is here length of the rectangle is equal to 16 plus 2W and also breadth 12 plus 2W. So இதனோட ஏரியா எவ்வளவு இன்கிரீஸ் ஆகுதுன்னா 285. So length into breadth, that is 16 plus 2W into 12 plus 2W is equal to 285. That is given, right? Then 16 into 12, 16 into 12, 192. Then 16 into 2W plus 32W plus 2W into 12, 24W plus 2W into 2W, 2 2s are 4, W squared is equal to 285. Then 4W square plus 6, then 3 plus 2, 5, 56W plus 192 minus 285 is equal to 0. Then 4W square plus 56W minus 285 plus 192. Then 3, 18 minus 9, 9. Then 1 minus 1, 0. That is minus 93 is equal to 0. Here coefficient of W squared is 4. Then 4 into minus 93 minus 3 4s are 12. Remainder 4 3s are 12. Remainder 1. 4 9s are 36 plus 1 37. That is product of two factors. Sum is 56. Then 62 into 6. That is shortcut also சொல்லிருக்கோம்ப்பா. Then 372 divided by 2. 1 2 is 2, remainder 2. 17 8 2s are 16. Then 2 6 2s are 12. Then 2 9 3. Then 3 3s are 9 1. So 2 into 31 62. Then 2 3s are 6. Right. Easy factor identify பண்ணிடலாம். Right. Here 62 into minus 6 plus into minus minus 62 into 6 372. 62 minus 6 56 divided by 4W divided by 4W. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 3 2s are 6. 1 2 is 2. Then 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Then 2W plus 31 into. Then 2W minus 3 is equal to 0. Then 2W plus 31 is equal to 0. And 2W minus 3 is equal to 0. Here 2W is equal to minus 31. Then W is equal to minus 31 divided by 2. Then 2W minus 3 is equal to 0. Then 2W is equal to plus 3. Then W is equal to 3 divided by 2. Then therefore width of the pathway is 1.5 because W cannot be negative. Then W is equal to 3 by 2, that is equal to 1.5. Width is equal to 1.5 meters. That's all. Next third sum. A bus covers a distance of 90 km at a uniform speed. Had the speed being 15 km per hour, more it would have taken 30 minutes less for the journey. So a bus covers a distance of 90 km at a uniform speed. அதாவது 90 km ஒரு பஸ் ஒரு யூனிஃபார்ம் ஸ்பீட்ல கவர் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. had the speed being 15 km per hour. more அப்படினு சொன்னா so 15 km speed என்ன செய்றாங்க increase பண்றாங்க. So let the original speed of the bus be x km per hour. Then increase speed. Speed is equal to speed b x plus 15 km per hour. So 15 km increase பண்றாங்க. So the increase பண்றப்ப 30 minutes less for journey. நார்மலா நம்ம 1 hour போய் சேரறோம்னா நமக்கு half an hour சேவ் ஆகுது. Find the original speed of the bus. We know the formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. So distance is equal to 90 km. That is equal to speed. First one is x, then into time. So 90 divided by x is equal to t. That is t1. Next one, 90 is equal to x plus 15 into t2. That is increased speed. So 90 divided by x plus 15 is equal to t2. That is first one t1 is equal to 90 divided by x, t2 is equal to 90 divided by x plus 15. Then given t1 minus t2 is equal to 1 by 2. That means 60 minutes, sorry 60, 1 hour 60 minutes, half na 1 by 2 hours. 30 minutes less ஆகுதுன்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So 1 by 2 hours. Then T1 minus T2. Then 90 divided by x minus 90 divided by x plus 15 is equal to 1 divided by 2. Then here taking 90 as common. Then 90 into 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 15 is equal to 1 divided by 2. Here 90 into, using cross multiplication, x plus 15 minus x divided by x into x plus 15 is equal to 1 by 2. Then 90 into plus x minus x cancel, 15 divided by x into x, x square plus 15 x is equal to 1 divided by 2. Then 90 into 15 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into x square plus 15x. Then 2 left side shift panna 2 into 90 into 15 is equal to x square plus 15x. Then 15 2s are 30. 30 into 90, 2700. That is 2 into 15, 30. 30 into 90, 9 3s are 27. That is 2700 is equal to x square plus 15x. Then 0 is equal to x square plus 15x minus 2700 plus 2700 right side shift panna minus 2700. Then x square plus 15x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Here product of two factors is equal to minus 2700. Then sum is 15. The factors are 60 into 45 minus 45 plus into minus minus 60 into 45 2700. 60 minus 45 15. That is 45 into 6. 5 6 are 30, remainder 3. 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27. 2700 divided by x divided by x. That is x plus 60 into x minus 45 is equal to 0. Then x plus 60 is equal to 0, comma x minus 45 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 60 and x is equal to plus 45. Speed cannot be negative. Therefore x is equal to 45 kilometer per hour. That is the original speed of the bus is equal to 45 kilometer per hour. Next one, fourth sum. A girl is twice as old as her sister. A girl is twice as old as her sister. Let the present age of her sister be x years. ஏனா question அனுப்புறாங்க. A girl is twice as old as her sister. So a girl ங்கறவ twice as old as her sister. அவரோட சிஸ்டரோட வயதை போல 2 மடங்கு சொல்றதுனால first அவரோட சிஸ்டரோட ஏஜ் x ன்னு எடுத்துக்கணும். Then girl's age is 2x years ன்னு எடுத்துக்கணும். A girl's age is 2x years. And 5 year hence the product of their ages will be 375. Find their present ages. So 5 years hence sister age will be x plus 5 and girl's age is 2x plus 5. The product is equal to 375. The product, that means x plus 5 into 2x plus 5 is equal to 375. Then x into 2x, 2x square plus x into 5, 5x plus 5 into 2x, 10x plus 5 into 5, 20. 5 is equal to 375. Then 2x square plus 15x plus 25 minus 375 is equal to 0. Then 2x squared plus 15x minus 350 is equal to 0. Minus 375 plus 25 we get minus 350. Here x coefficient of x squared is 2. Then 2 into minus 350, then minus 700. That is the product of two factors. Sum is 15. The factors are 20 into 35. 35 into 2, 70. So that means 700. So minus 20 plus 35. Minus into plus minus. 20 into 35, 700. 35 minus 20, 15. Then divided by 2x. Divided by 2x. Then 1 2 is 2. 10 2s are 20. Right. Then x minus 10 into 2x plus 35 is equal to 0. Then x minus 10 is equal to 0. And 2x plus 35 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to plus 10, comma 2x is equal to minus 35. Therefore, x is equal to minus 35 divided by 2. Here x cannot be negative because age of the negative varadu. Therefore, x is equal to 10 years. Therefore, her sister's age will be x years. Age is 10 years. And girl age. Girl's age is 20 years. 2 into 10, 20. Next one, fifth sum. A pole has to be erected at a point on the boundary of a circular ground of diameter 20 meter in such a way that the difference of its distance from two diametrically opposite fixed gates P and Q on the boundary is 4 meter. Is it possible to do so? If answer is yes, at what distance from the two gates should the pole be erected? அதாவது ஒரு சர்க்குலர் உள்ள இதுல என்ன செய்யறாங்கன்னா ஒரு போல் வந்து நடக்கணும்னு சொல்றாங்க. தட் இஸ் ஏங்கற போல்னு வச்சுக்கிட்டோம்னா இந்த P and Q ங்கிறது டயாமீட்டருக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டா இருக்கக்கூடிய கேட்ஸ் னு சொல்லுவோம். P and Q. இதனுடைய டிஸ்டன்ஸ் எவ்வளவு இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்கன்னா 4 மீட்டர் கூட நம்ம நட முடியுமான்னு கேட்காங்க. அப்படி நட முடியும் அப்படினா அதனுடைய டிஸ்டன்ஸ் எவ்வளவு வருது? சோ ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணோம். let A be the point of the pole, then P and Q be the two diametrically opposite gates. Then here O is the center of the circle. Here OP is equal to OQ is equal to 10 meter because diameter is equal to 20. So OP is equal to 10, OQ is equal to 10. 10 plus 1, 20. Here PQ is equal to 20 meter. Here PA minus AQ is equal to 4 meter. That is given. PA minus AQ is equal to 4 meter. Let PA be x ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். அந்த PA என்ன எடுத்துக்கிறோம்? x ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். அப்ப PA x minus AQ is equal to 4 meter. Then x minus 4 is equal to x minus 4 is equal to AQ. Then minus AQ, right side shift பண்ணா plus AQ, plus 4 left side வந்தா minus 4, that is AQ. Here AQ is equal to x minus 4. Then PA is equal to 4 meter. Okay, PA is equal to x meter. Then PA is equal to x, so PA is equal to x, right? So இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதுல இந்த ஆங்கிள் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா ஆங்கிள் A 90 டிகிரி வரும். சோ இதுல டயாமீட்டருக்கு ஒரு கார்டு ரெண்டு வந்து என்ன ஆகும்னா 90 டிகிரில இதாகும். 90 டிகிரி ஃபார்ம் ஆகும் இந்த ஆங்கிள் ஏங்கிறது. சோ x - 4 = AQ. இப்படிதான் இந்த ஸ்டேட் அப்ளை பண்ணலாம். in a right angle triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the two sides. That is PQ square is equal to PA square plus AQ square. That is PQ 20 square is equal to PA. PA is equal to x, that is x square plus aq square, that is x minus 4 the whole square. 20 into 20, 400 is equal to 400 is equal to x square plus a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is x square minus 2ab, 2 into x, 2x, 2x into 4, 8x minus 8x plus b square plus 16 plus 16. Then 400 is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 16. Then 0 is equal to 2x square minus 8x minus 400 plus 16. That is equal to 2x square minus 8x minus 400 minus 16, 374. Sorry, 384. That is 384 plus 16, 390. That is equal to 400 is equal to 0. That is equal to, sorry, divided by 2. Then x square minus 4x minus 1 2 is 2, remainder 1, 18, 9 2s are 18, then 2 2s are 4 is equal to 0. Here x square minus 4x minus 192 is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Here factorize. The product of two factors are minus 190 to sum is minus 4. Then 16 into 12. 16 12s are 192. Already number last sum la paathirkom. Then sorry, minus 16 plus 12 plus, sorry, minus into plus minus 16 into 12 192 minus 16 plus 12 I get minus 4 divided by x divided by x. Then x minus 16 into x plus 12 is equal to 0. Then x minus 16 is equal to 0 and x plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 16 and also x is equal to minus 12. Then x cannot be negative, therefore x is equal to 16. Therefore PA is equal to 16 and QA or AQ is equal to x minus 4, that is 16 minus 4, that is equal to 12. So PA is equal to 16, AQ is equal to 12. That is possible because 4 meter distance இருந்தாலே போதுங்க. PA க்கு 16 இங்க 12. So 16 12 வந்ததனால நமக்கு that is